telling me something. He said, go to Japan, spread out 26-2 all over the world. Did I do it? Who did it? You guys did it. I just taught, lock the fucking knee. That's all. You guys did it. Because Rolls-Royce factory produce what? What? No. Rolls-Royce factory, do you think produce Honda? The Rolls produce what? Rolls-Royce. Bikram produce Bikram. Vishnu Ghosh create Vishnu Ghosh. I am representative of Vishnu Ghosh. Think of it. Paramhansa Yogananda. You know that. When young age, I used to talk a lot about God, spiritualism. Then I thought, I'm wasting my time. They don't understand. Just lock the fucking knee and kick. That's all. And it works. Amazing. It works so simple. I used to talk more spiritualism because still I was in India. Then when I see the whole world, oh my God, I have to teach them A, apple, B, a bat, C, a cat, D, a dog, F, a fuck. Oh, mistake. So I learned, practically I learned like this way. Use the human being is my sample. Is that the right one? Yes. Practical proof. It works.